friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain best PS Games.com reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, you can see this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store based in United Kingdom that deals with PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 products. So you can find PlayStation 5 Digital Limit Edition here, Sony PlayStation 4 PS4 Pro 1TB Black, as well as extra DualShock 4 controller, that is Sony PS4 1TB Jet Black. So you can find various gaming PlayStation options here, and you can see the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's talk about other information related to payment. So here you will find the payment method section and the payment details. So you have the information here, and you can see the company accepts payment via Visa, MasterCard, American Express, JCB, and so on. And rest you can read for your knowledge and convenience, guys. Now talking about shipping policy, so let's check out the shipping policy here. So guys, they have mentioned the shipping fee is $10 in the US on most items and free standard shipping worldwide over $40. But they have not mentioned the standard shipping duration. But in section when will I receive my order, they have mentioned that due to the popularity of offers, they are asking to allow an estimated of 1 to 5 weeks for your order to arrive to the USA. And for other countries, it can take an estimated of 1 to 6 weeks. So this was the information regarding shipping policy. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, guys, you'll be shocked to hear that the domain name was created on 19th of November 2020. So it is precisely 2 days old website. So we can't trust on this website easily. That's why we need to discuss more factors to define its legitimacy. So let's check out the About Us section of this site. And you can see no About Us section is available on the site, which is a bad sign. Let's check out the Contact Us details of the site. So this is the Contact Us page, and they have mentioned an address which is US warehouse address and an email address which does not matches with the domain name, which is again a bad sign. And they have also mentioned a contact number which seems to be fake. So guys, this is a bad sign here, and I would like to inform you all, guys, that this Contact Us page is copied from they have copied this information from other scam and problematic websites. So this is one of the biggest loopholes of this website. So therefore the site can't be trusted. Now talking about social media presence, the site has no social media presence at all, which is again a red high alert. Apart from that, the site has an unknown trustworthiness score. Apart from that, guys, the website has too low traffic or none at all, as I have already told you that this is a 2 days old website. Now coming to the return policy of the website, guys. So this is the return policy page, and you can see the website has mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And talking about best PS Games.com reviews, guys, we have found no reviews on the internet as well as on the site, as the site is not popular. In addition with this, guys, I would like to inform all you guys that the site has used the content of other scam websites, and it is the characteristic of a scam website. So you should stay away from such type of scam websites, and you need to be aware. So in the final conclusion, the site appears to be scam or totally fake. And if you have money related problem, guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. To comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.